Hello once again, Mr. Face. I am playing Happy Wheels. Don't move, space exclamation point 2. Grab the table. Backflip! I can do it. Oh yeah! I got it! It's okay. Oh, I lost my leg. That was my favorite leg. Okay, let's not move this time. Ooh, almost lost my hat.
Hey, I said that.
Front flip. It's okay, Santa, you can do this.
Ah!
There was already a table leg there. Oh, I got it in the nuts. Poor nuts. You can move now. Yeah. I lost my hat.
I lost my head. Oh no. Fat guy, small ball.
I am stuck.
Tantrum!
Ah, I did it.
Have your hat.
I landed face first.
At least you got your hat back.
Neon jet fall hard. Pogo stickman. My first jet fall. Hope you enjoy. Exclamation point. Don't hang on to the jets. Got it. I'm a ball. You cannot hurt the ball.
Whee! Kick. What? Kick. Kick. Ah!
Almost bent me in half. Oh, yeah, dead.
I knew it. I always knew it.
I am sitting. Invisible chairing. Invisible chair. You can't touch the invisible chair. I'm too much of an invisible chair. Woo! Look at how many backflips I can do. Oh, I lost my hat. My hat is trying to kill me. Oh, splits. Oh, splits again. Oh, splits again. I kicked myself in the face. Running man. Oh, head.
See where it goes with this. Oh, what the heck?
Let's not press any buttons. Backflip. Nope, that's too stupid. There we go. That's not stupid. Toby, we all love you. Oh, I kicked it. Yeah, ninja kick. Kick myself in the face. Reverse headbutt.
You just freaking burnt your face off.
Oh, this is gonna suck. Ow, my pelvis. My pelvis. Get me off. I'm off face.
Can you like keep it down because Lila's in the game?
Oh, this is gonna suck.
Woo!
I kicked it. Well, my dead body. Up. Explosion head. Let's find a good one. The final rope swing. Parati Willy Rex segment. I got it. Oh, that's a surprise. I got it. Don't worry. It's okay. I got it. But I'm stuck. Holy shit! Holy shit! Fell right off the edge. Oh, hand! I'm broke. can't even laugh. Slick. I like how I. And yes, that's like. Oh, let's watch them go ape shit again. That was fun. Go whoosh whoosh. You guys suck. Yeah, I did it. All right. Wipe the tears from my eyes.
Oh my god.
Okay, don't move. Oh, we're definitely moving.
I knew that was gonna happen.
I can't move now, I'm dead. What am I supposed to do now? I'm dead.
You got the shoe on your butt.
There's a shoe in my pelvis.
Now what?
I'm not sure.
Car.
Let's see what happens if I don't move. No, I still die. Oh yeah, I still super die.
Still super dumb.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to be my heart. But since I moved, it changed everything. No, Grandpa! Leave my heart alone. You don't deserve it. There. Oh, be careful. Soccer ball. Herp. Oh, goal! Yeah! That's your fault. I'm in a can. Oh, landmine. Watch out. How does that not turn to mush? Those weren't Billy. Those were Billy's younger sister, Jilly. And yes, those are similar names. And yes, they must sound like 51 seconds. Alright. Now, let's see what's after. Don't kill him! Exclamation point, exclamation point. It might be a bit crappy. It's my first level. If Tobuscus plays this, tell Griffin I said hi and give him a treat. Any player. Let's be coach again. Kill him. Hurrah! Watermelon. Jump. Front flip off the level. Okay. What do we got now? Kill your neighbors. You are a fat fuck. Nobody cares about you, so you decide to get some attention in the hood. In the best fucking way possible. Brofist for PewDiePie from Portugal. Lawnmower Man. Kill your neighbors. It's okay, we got this. I'll mow your faces off. Or, as I almost faceplant myself. Yes. Oh, old man had in my lap. Yes. Turn them to mush. You all deserve to be mush. I did it. It was me. Okay, I have to kill your neighbor. Mini adventure. Alright. Let's go to jail. Billy. No, I killed Billy. But it's okay. He will live on in my lap, it looks like. Oh yeah. I can jump. You can't jump, but I can jump. Did you know I can jump, but you can't jump? So I can jump. You gotta jump. You gotta jump. Double backflip to an arm loss. Oh shit. I did it. I wonder who the old man was that was in jail. I Spy 2 randomly selects 3 items to find, based on the books by Walter Wick and Gene Marzullo. I appreciate any ideas or comments you have, wheelchair guy. Let's see what happens. Press space to start and use the arrow keys to move. Space. I spy a rake. Find a rake. There's a shovel. A flag and two. And a 2. Okay, find a rake. I found a rake. There it is. It's right here. A flag. Found a flag. And a 2. I found a 2. There's a 2. I did it.
30 seconds.
I found a 2. I said more. Minefield. By Happy Ruben 777. It's possible. Enjoy. Pogo Stick Man. Yeah, I got this. Oh, double step. There we go. Alright, let's try again. Jump. There we go. There we go. Jump face first. Dunk. Dunk. Yep. Whoop. Oh, I kissed it. I kissed the landmine. I said moi. Whoop. Woo! Oh, I kicked the landmine. I kicked it. You saw that? I kicked it. Oh, God. Power Pro Pogo Jump. It is my first level. I'm French, and I'm sorry for mistakes. Post it, man. Okay. Power Pogo Jump. Yes, my first level by Yo-Yo 26466. Justin Bieber. One Direction. Oh. It shot me in the back. Why would you do that, Harpoon? Ooh. I spy with my oh! Ooh. Ooh, you messing with... Oh, I exploded. But it's okay, because I said moi. Oh, that sucked. Man, I'm not even as good as Justin Bieber. Or One Direction. Shut up. I know who they all are. They're Canadian.
They're Canadian.
Oh, my butt. Good. I did good. Get through the hole. I did it. I did it. I'm better than good. I'm 2 levels better. Ow. I'm 2 levels better than good. I'm Jim Bonucci. Bonacci. I said that. Killed him! Exclamation point. Tried to kill this guy while falling. I got you, motherfucker. Here I come. I did it. I did it. It wasn't him. It was me. Let me grab your butt. Let me grab it. I got it. Woo! I didn't kill him, but I did it.
You killed me.
Oh, no, do it again. I'm going to kill you this time. I did it. But I still died. I can do it without dying. Try again. No, I must grab his butt. Oh! I survived! Okay. Till next time. I'll see you later.